Who did it?
My dress is all wet. My underwear is all wet.
Who did it?
Who did it? Zane? Who does it? That's alright. Ooh.
What did he give you? Skin?
Pepper skin, yeah.
Who did it? Zane. Zane did it. All done. Who did it? Zane did it. Mhm. He's amazing. What's amazing?
Is that fan amazing? Go get it. Turn it back on. Mommy turned it off.
No.
What's amazing? Is your fan amazing? I can see this way it hits his hair. Come back over here. Get your hair all messed up in the fan. Let's sample your hair. What do you like? Oh, that wasn't very long. Do it again. Do it again. Really let it blow. No, go back here and let it blow. Oh. Did you get your hair blowing around? It looks good when Are you an amazing kid? Hey. Are you an amazing kid? Are you amazing? Zane's amazing. Here, turn around this way. Turn around this way. Okay. Shake your money maker. Oh, was that too hard? Sorry. You like your grandma chair? Oh, he fell out of his grandma chair.
Ow, 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 ow.